Hey, what's up guys, Winston here. So this is part 1 of our Computex 2026 coverage at the Adata XPG booth. So let's begin. So earlier this month in June, we were at the Computex 2026 and one of the booths that we visited was the Adata XPG. They showcased their new Trusted AI Scaler Toolkit, a software that allows you to monitor the health and status of their enterprise memory kits and SSDs. It's open source and available to download from their website. And what's more, you can actually run the software on any brand of memory or SSD. Now let's take a closer look.
All right, we're at the Computex 2026 and the Adata and Trusted booth. And we have Colin. Colin's going to show us around some new products. Of course, they're going to be focusing on more server AI related stuff. So let's go, Colin. So what we have here?
Okay, for this year, as you can see, 70% of the booth is about TrustChart.
Yeah.
So we have our server RDIMM and also our enterprise SSD as well. These two products actually we have launched last year.
Yeah.
But this year there's a new thing for us, which is we have a software now.
Oh,
so
right.
yes, yeah, you can see we have the AI Scaler Toolkit from TrustChart. So with this software, we can utilize our memories and also the speed of the how to say when you're running a lot of data, they can give you some energy saving as well.
Okay.
So this is how we are demonstrate our AI Scaler Toolkits for here this year together with our DRAM and SSD for enterprise use.
So more enterprise for more server related stuff.
Yes, and the AI Scaler Toolkits is open for everyone. It's free. You can just search TrustChart AI Scaler Toolkit. You can and you can just download it, and then you can just apply to any DRAM SSD to utilize for your usage. Yes, this is what we are going to launch for this year, and is ready. And you can just search it and can download it. It's open source.
Right.
Yeah.
So this is going to be main focus. So the SSDs and the DRAM, the DDR5 RAM.
Yeah.
And then of course you got the Trusted ASC software to control everything.
Yep.
Monitor the health, the temperature, the power consumption, all that kind of stuff.
Yes.
All good.
As you all know, Adata and XPG are renowned for their memory kits, and this year they have the new ROG certified NOVAKEY RGB DDR5 memory kits. They're available in two models, DDR5 6000 and DDR5 6400, and they come with RGB lighting as standard. And what's more, to save the environment, these memory kits uses 50% recycled aluminium and up to 85% recycled plastic. Now let's take a closer look.
For DRAM here, you have seen last year for the NOVAKEY. And this year we have the ROG certified versions over here. So, and this product is also ready last month, and then you can get it in the market. And is support up to, now we have 6,000, and then we have 6,400 as well.
Alright, so NOVAKEY RGB DDR5, ROG certified, and up to, of course, look at the speed here. I think it's DDR5 6000 certified, so that's pretty good. And you also have the Mars 970, the XPG Mars 970 Plus, which is the SSD. So you got both demos working right here. That's the XPG, ROG certified. And there's another model right here. You can see that there. All right, cool.
Also at Computex 2026, Adata demonstrated the DDR5 4-rank CUDIMMs. They're basically the next generation of ultra-high capacity memory modules that combine three key ideas. DDR5 RAM with clock driver CUDIMM, 4-rank memory architecture, a very high capacity of up to 128 GB per stick. Together, these push consumer DDR5 into territory that used to be server and workstation only. Here we can see them installed on both Intel and AMD motherboards. Apart from memory kits for DIY system builders, they also have a new consumer product called the URBAN TAPSAFE. It's one of Adata's most innovative portable SSD unveiled at Computex 2026. It's designed around a simple idea to replace passwords with NFC smartphone authentication. Instead of entering your passwords or relying on fingerprint readers, you can unlock the drive by simply tapping the SSD against a paired smartphone. It offers read and write speeds of up to 1900 megabytes per second with capacities of 1 or 2 terabytes and uses a USB 3.2 Gen 2x2 interface. Now let's take a closer look.
So here is our consumer product for external SSD, DRAM, and also SSD. So we have our new product, which is URBAN TAPSAFE. Is ready in the market last month, and then you can see this is the with the unlock with the MFC. So you can just press unlock.
Oh, it automatically
Yes.
pairs it up.
You can see tap successfully. So
Yeah.
you are ready to use.
Yeah, so there's no need to like go to the settings. You
Yeah.
just it's almost an NFC connection
Yes,
to
yes.
detect the actual hardware. Okay,
Yes,
cool.
and for the creator, you can just easily attach with your camera.
Yeah.
And also you can just put it anywhere, just avoid it losses. Yeah, so it's very safe. And you can change the skin if you want.
Oh, the skin.
Yeah.
Okay, cool. It's magnetic, yeah?
Yes.
Cool. So this is the URBAN TAPSAFE.
Yeah.
USB 3.2 Gen 2x2. So you get you 20 gigabits per second, 1 terabyte or 2 terabyte capacity. Super lightweight there. It's only 72 grams. Almost, 1900 read-write speed. Super compact and also personalized with the NFC to data security. Amazing.
Yeah.
All right. And two models there.
Yeah.
Cool.
This video was made possible thanks to Flex Studios, the developer of RigBuilder by Funkykit. So picture this, you've just learned how to build a PC after months of research, and you're ready to build your dream PC based on the budget that you have in mind. So where do you begin? Choosing the right parts for your PC build can be really daunting, especially when there's hundreds of brands and numerous models out there. And this is where RigBuilder comes in. It's our system configurator, developed by Flex Studios, giving you the best prices from Amazon. One of the most attractive features of RigBuilder is that you don't need to specifically know the exact brand or model of those PC parts. With RigBuilder, all you need is 3 criteria: the budget you have in mind, your preferred CPU, and your preferred graphics card. Once you've entered your preferences and hit the submit button, RigBuilder will then go to Amazon to compile a list of 5 products from each category that will best match your criteria. You can now select an item from that list, and once you're happy with that choice, hit the Buy All button, where it will take you to a summary page of all the items you've selected. And when you're ready to buy, just add the cart to proceed to the Amazon checkout. I know, you don't have to buy from Amazon, but at least to give you an idea of what you can get based on your budget. You can give RigBuilder a try at funkykit.com/RigBuilder. We hope RigBuilder will make the process of buying PC parts much easier. It's free to use and is available in all countries where Amazon is supported. Thanks for listening, and now back to the video. There were also a range of both AIO and ASCPU coolers on display. These include the XPG Levante 360 View AIO. The XPG Levante View 360 AIO is a premium all-in-one liquid CPU cooler designed to combine high-performance cooling with an integrated display for system monitoring and customization. It was showcased by XPG as part of its next-generation cooling lineup at Computex 2026. Next, we have the Maestro View 62DA, a premium dual-tower air cooler that combines high-end CPU cooling performance with a built-in LCD display, targeting at enthusiasts who want both strong thermal performance and a customizable visual centerpiece in their PC. Next, we have the XPG Maestro Infinity 62DA, a high-performance dual-tower air CPU cooler that focuses on premium cooling performance and a striking Infinity Mirror RGB aesthetic rather than the LCD display found on the Maestro View 62DA. And lastly, we have the XPG Maestro 62DA, an entry-level model in XPG's new Maestro air cooling lineup. The Maestro 62DA focuses on pure cooling performance, quiet operation, and value without the extra visual features. Next, we have XPG's Supercapacitor mouse and keyboard. It's one of the more unconventional peripherals showcased at Computex 2026. It replaces the traditional lithium-ion battery with an innovative supercapacitor-based energy storage system. The XPG prototype stores energy in a supercapacitor, which charges and discharges differently from a conventional battery. Rather than emphasizing gaming performance, the concept highlights ultra-fast charging, exceptional longevity, and wireless operation without the limitation associated with conventional rechargeable batteries. A full charge only takes a few minutes and could operate up to 2 weeks from a single charge. No lithium batteries means no performance loss from aging battery over time, eliminates the risk of battery swelling or expansion, and reduces long-term wear for improved durability and reliability. Also on display were NVMe SSD storage devices, which included the XPG Mars 970 Plus, the Mars 980 Blade, and the Mars 980 Pro, all of which are PCIe Gen 5x4 with read speeds reaching up to 14,000 MB per second and a write speed of up to 13,000 MB per second. The Mars 980 Pro comes with an integrated cooling fan for extra heat dissipation, which I find very interesting. Other Gen 5x4 SSD showcased were compact mini SSDs, which are perfect for mini PCs, laptops, and portable devices such as ROG Ally and MSI Claw. And did you know Adata also makes tiny memory integrated circuits for wearables such as eMMCs? Here we have an example of the HTC Vive smart glasses, and inside you'll find these eMMCs. Other eMMCs and tiny memory chips were also on display to highlight Adata's ability to cater for this niche market. This concludes our Computex 2026 Roundup Part 1 of the XPG Adata booth. Adata showcased a lot of interesting products, and there were a lot of new hardware which I guess have already been released, if not coming real soon. Check out Part 2 as we continue our Computex 2026 Roundup at the XPG Adata booth. Until then, this is Winston for Funkykit.com.